In this video, I'll show you how you can highlight in Excel. Now this is useful if you have like many rows and you want to highlight a specific one. So basically it's super simple. In Excel there's already a function that lets you do it. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Excel and you want to find a place that you want to highlight. Let's say I want to highlight this one. What you can do is go to Home, and from in here you can see there's already many that you can choose from. Let's say you want to say this one is bad, you can simply choose the red one. Now if you don't like these options, you can select a row and you can do it manually by selecting colors here. You can also select outside borders if you want to highlight it like this, if you go to this one. Now something else that you can do is when you have all of these, you can select multiple by dragging like this, and if you choose, it will all be like that. So basically that's how you do it in Excel, guys. It's super simple, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.